We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, and today we're going to be checking out the Ferris ISX3300 with the 72-inch cutting deck. So we're going to take a quick look at the ISX3300 Ferris zero-turn mower. This model is a 72-inch cutting deck. We're going to start in the front with the Ferris independent suspension system. Pretty much to sum it up, you're gonna have just a lot smoother of a ride with this mower. Here we also have a suspension seat. It does have lumbar support as well. Coming around, we have your cup holder. Also have your fuel gauge here. With this model, you do have two separate fuel tanks. Each one is 5.5 gallons, so you have a total of 11 gallons. Now back here is where you would switch between which tank you want to use from. This model does have the rollover protection. Coming around back, we do have the Vanguard engine, 40 horsepower. This model does have the EFI systems. You also have the oil guard over here as well. Here is your second fuel tank. You have your PTO, your hour meter. You have your electric throttle up here as well. And this shows you your fuel levels for the right side tank. Here we have your cutting heights. So you have 1.5 inch to 5 inch cutting height. Your pedal there to adjust. The Ferris rubber chute here. Once again, this model is a 72-inch cutting deck. The deck itself is 10 gauge steel. And it does have the Hydro Gear 5400. And that is the Ferris ISX3300. If you're interested in this mower or any of the mowers on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720. Not only do we have these great mowers in stock, but we also have trailers and handheld equipment that we can make a package deal for you. Give us a call.